Today I am taking Reproduction in Organism, Chapter 1. Now, lifespan. What is the meaning of lifespan? The period from birth to natural death of an organism. What is a lifespan? Period from birth to natural death of an organism called lifespan. Lifespan vary in different organisms. For example, I am taking example here. Listen. Parrot, lifespan 140 years. Banyan tree, lifespan 200 years. Human being, lifespan 100 years. And tortoise, lifespan 150 years. And butterfly, 1 to 2 weeks. Mayfly, only 1 day. Wheat plant, 6 months. So, in different organism, lifespan is vary. Now, what is our chapter name? Reproduction in organism. So, I am taking what is the meaning of reproduction. Reproduction is a biological process by which an organism produces another organism similar to itself. Again, I am taking. Reproduction is a biological process by which an organism produces new organism similar to itself. Student, organisms are also called offspring. What are that? The organisms are also called offspring. Means offspring and babies are similar. Babies are also called the offspring. Now, question is arise. What is the importance of reproduction? Why reproduction is compulsory? Many reasons are there. What are? First of all, I am taking reproduction is compulsory for continuity of life. Second, during sexual reproductions, homologous chromosomes come closer, exchange genetic material, so variation come. During sexual reproductions, homologous chromosomes come closer, exchange genetic material, so variation come. So reproductions help in variation. Third, variation help in evolution. What is evolution? Development of new species from old species. What is evolution? Development of new species from old species called evolution. Now, I am taking types of reproduction. Types of reproductions. Two types of reproductions. One is called asexual. Second is called sexual reproductions. First of all, we differentiate sexual and asexual reproductions. How can we differentiate? First point I am taking here. Listen. In asexual reproduction, fusion of gamete absent. Gamete formation absent. But in sexual reproductions, fusion of gamete and gamete formation present. Second main difference, asexual reproductions, fast process. Sexual reproduction, slow process. Third, in asexual reproductions, mitotic division take place. But in sexual reproductions, meiosis division take place. Offsprings are formed after asexual reproduction, genetically identical. Offsprings are formed after asexual reproduction, genetically identical, resemble to exactly similar to each other, are called clone C-L-O-N-E, are called clone. Exactly, genetically similar. But offsprings are formed after sexual reproduction, in which variations are present. These organisms are not exactly same. Variations are present. You know, you are not exactly copy of your parents. Your sister and brothers are not exactly copy of your parents. Why? Because formed after sexual reproduction. And in sexual reproduction, variations are come. Now, next, asexual reproductions found in lower category and organism, means in unicellular organism. But sexual reproduction is present in higher category organism, means human being and other higher category organism. In all mammals, sexual reproduction is present. Okay, I think you know very well what is the difference between asexual and sexual difference. Now I am taking separately asexual reproductions. You know, asexual reproductions, you already know, I explain you. First, asexual reproduction, uniparental. Sexual reproduction, biparental. What is the meaning of uniparental? Means one parent is required. What is the meaning of biparental? Means two parents are required. Asexual reproduction is a uniparental, single parent is required. In asexual reproduction, gamete formation absent, gamete fusion present, gamete fusion absent. After asexual reproduction, genetically similar offsprings are formed, called clone. Called clone. You know, this is the 1 mark question. In your examination, in your exams, the question will come, what is a clone? Offspring genetically similar are called the clone. Are you getting my point? Now, second, now I am taking types of asexual reproductions. Asexual reproductions is, many types are present in asexual reproduction. First is called fission. Second, fragmentation. Third, budding. Fourth,